Today, we're tackling a common issue that many pet owners face: how to get rid of fleas. Whether you have a furry friend at home or just want to keep these pesky pests away, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Identify the presence of fleas. The first step in flea control is to identify the presence of these tiny troublemakers. Look out for signs like excessive scratching in pets, red bumps on human skin, or tiny black specks on pet bedding and carpets. Step 2. Treat your pets. If you have pets, start by treating them. Use a vet-approved flea treatment, such as spot-on solutions, flea collars, or oral medications. Regular grooming and combing can also help remove fleas and their eggs from your pet's fur. Step 3. Vacuum your home. Fleas and their eggs can hide in carpets, rugs, and furniture. Vacuum your home thoroughly, paying special attention to areas where your pets spend the most time. Empty the vacuum bag or canister outside to dispose of captured fleas. Step 4. Wash bedding and linens. Wash your pet's bedding, and any other linens that might be infested with fleas. Use hot water and a good detergent to ensure you eliminate fleas and their eggs effectively. Step 5. Use flea sprays and treatments. Consider using flea sprays or treatments designed for your home. Treat areas where fleas might hide, such as carpets, upholstery, and pet bedding. Make sure to follow the product instructions carefully. Step 6. Natural remedies. If you prefer natural remedies, consider using substances like diatomaceous earth or baking soda. Sprinkle these around your home, let them sit for a while, and then vacuum them up. These can help dehydrate and eliminate fleas. Step 7. Outdoor flea control. Don't forget about the outdoor spaces. Keep your lawn mowed, and consider using pet-safe flea control products in your yard. This prevents new fleas from infesting your pets and home. Step 8. Consistent prevention. Lastly, consistency is key. Continue using flea prevention methods regularly, especially if you live in an area prone to fleas. This will help ensure a flea-free environment for you and your pets. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to get rid of fleas. I hope these tips help you achieve a flea-free living space. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to tips, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.